the next step, the R, is repeat. So now you've figured out what resources you have, you've had a mentor sit down with you, figure out how to get from A to B, you've taken action, you've got a paycheck, you found something that works. Well, now you're gonna rinse and repeat. You're gonna do it over and over and over again, because if it works, keep doing it. And a great example of that is one of my students, Brian, who came with me to learn how to do tax liens and deeds. And for those of you who don't know what that is, when people haven't paid their property taxes in a number of years, their homes end up on the auction block. And I actually, myself and my teams held them by the hand and showed him how to get properties at these auctions. Now, the first couple of months, he came home empty-handed, and he was getting kind of skeptical because there is competition at these auctions. You're not going to be the only one there. And for the first few months, he got nothing. But then, I think it was the third or fourth month, he bought a property worth somewhere between $90,000 and $100,000. He got it for $7,200. So once again, he didn't think he had the resources to do a deal. And $7,200 is something most people could put on a credit card if they don't have it in their bank. But anyway, once he got the first deal done, that really built up his confidence. And then he did it again and again and again. And I know he got at least 5 properties at that auction. Last I heard, there may be more by now. Of course, the auctions were closed due to COVID, but he may have more by now. But once he figured out something that worked, he just duplicated it. He didn't reinvent the wheel, he just did it over and over and over again. Hey, Mike Wolf here. Today I'm in a place called Bansko, which is in Bulgaria, Eastern Europe. And this is my first time here. I've been traveling around Europe for a couple of months now. And this is, I think, my 7th country so far, and many more to come. But it's all possible because of the passive income I've created through real estate. So if you want to learn how to do this too, make sure you click the link below. We'll have a conversation to see if my Wolf Pack, which is my mentorship program, is right for you.